Hey YouTube, Dan of All Things here, just getting a shot of the cart ramp that they had cut in down here. And the path coming down and their existing ramp that's coming down another 5 feet. That actually might be able to be hooked up and be usable, I don't know. Hey YouTube, Dan of All Things here, Antelope Point. Just decided to come around the other side, get another shot of the ramps. Right there, almost touching. Got a beautiful day on the water. Looks like a little bit of a line for the cart service over here today.